Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Orkus GK tutorial. Today we are going to discuss about 60 important MCQs on Mughal history and history of Sher Shah Suri. Let's begin. Babur's forefathers belong to which sections of the Turkish origin? Among these four options, which will be the answer? Number 1 Chagtai, number 2 Uyghur, number C Khajar, and number D none of these. The right answer will be Chagtai Khanate. Number 2. Which part of modern day Afghanistan Babur belonged to? Helmand, Kandahar, Kabul, Fargana. The right answer will be Fargana. The first battle of Panipat was fought in which year? 1527, 1533, 1526, and D 1525. The right answer will be 1526. Who was Babur's father? Umar Sheikh Mirza, Ibrahim Khan Gardi, Farid Khan, Shah Tahmasp. The right answer will be Umar Sheikh Mirza. Battle of Khanwa was fought in which year? 1526, 1527, 1537, 1556. The right answer will be 1527. Battle of Ghagra was fought between Babur and whom? Ibrahim Lodi, Mahmud Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, and option D Bahlul Lodi. The right answer will be Mahmud Lodi. Mahmud Lodi. Battle of Chanderi 1528 was fought between Babur and option A Rana Sanga, option B Rana Pratap, option C Ratan Singh II, option D Medini Rai. The right answer will be option D Medini Rai. In which year Babur died? 1556, 1540, 1574, 1530. The right answer will be the right answer will be 1530. 1530. The resting place of Babur is located at option A Arambagh, Kabul, option B Arambagh, Delhi, option C Agra, option D Awadh. The right answer will be Arambagh, Kabul. Babur's memoir Tajuk-i-Babari is written in which language? Option A Arabic, option B Urdu, option C Persian, option D Turkish. Here the right answer will be option D Turkish. Tajuk-i-Babari was written in Turkish language. Battle of Chausa was fought in which year? 1531, 1539, 1540, and 1541. The right answer will be 1539. The Battle of Kannauj or the Battle of Bilgram was fought in which year? 1539, 1530, 1526, 1540. The right answer will be 1540. Full name of Humayun was here the right answer will be Nasiruddin Mahmud. Sorry, Nasiruddin Muhammad. Who gave shelter to Humayun during his exile? Shah Tahmasp the One, Shah Tahmasp the Second, Shah Alam the Second, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be Shah Tahmasp. In India, where did Humayun build his capital? Agra, Old Delhi, Dinpana, Fatehpur. The right answer will be Dinpana. Battle of Sirhind was fought between Adil Shah and Bairam Khan. In which year it was fought? 1655, 1555, 1455, 1753. The right answer will be 1555. In which year Humayun died? 1555, 1540, 1530, 1556. The right answer will be 1556. In which year the Second Battle of Panipat was fought? 1540, 1539, 1556, 1540. 1540. The right answer will be 1556. In which year Akbar captured Gujarat? 1575, 1578, 1573, 1576. The right answer will be 1573. Who was known as Zinda Pir? Akbar, Babur, Aurangzeb, Jahangir. The right answer will be option C, Aurangzeb. Jahangir's tomb is located in Kabul, Delhi, Agra, Shahadara. The right answer will be option D, Shahadara. What was the full name of Mumtaz Mahal? Begum Hadra. Option A, Begum Hazrat Mahal. Option B, Hamida Banu Begum. Option C, Arjamanad Banu Begum. Option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be option C, Arjumanad Banu Begum. Arjumand Banu Begum. Sorry for spelling mistake. Sher Shah's resting place is located in Kabul, Lahore, Sasaram, Agra. The right answer will be option C, Sasaram. Buland Darwaza is located at Delhi, Agra, Fatehpur Sikri, Dinpana. The right answer will be option C, Fatehpur Sikri. Din-e-Ilahi was implemented by Babur, Akbar, Aurangzeb, Humayun. Din-e-Ilahi was implemented by Emperor Akbar. Bairam Khan was the guardian of Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Akbar, Sher Shah Suri? The right answer will be option C, Akbar. Mansabdari system was introduced by Aurangzeb, Akbar, Jahangir, Sher Shah. Option B, Akbar. Which was the last campaign during the reign of Akbar? Which was the last military campaign during the reign of Akbar? Gujarat campaign, Battle of Chittor, the siege of Fort Asirgarh, and lastly Assam campaign. The right answer will be the siege of Fort Asirgarh. Who introduced the postal system in India? Sher Shah Suri, Humayun, Akbar, Shah Jahan. The right answer will be Sher Shah Suri. The height of Buland Darwaza is 170 feet, 176 feet, 180 feet, 165 feet. The right answer will be 176 feet. The Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought in the year 1570, 1630, 1764, 1576. The right answer will be 1576. The Battle of Haldi Ghati was fought in 1576. The name of the royal horse, sorry, the royal horse of named the royal horse named Chetak belonged to Maharana Pratap, Rana Sangram Singha, Rana Amar Singh. Option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be Maharana Pratap. Who was the author of Humayun Nama? The author of Humayun Nama was Humayun, Gulbadan Begum, Mumtaz Mahal, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be Gulbadan Begum. In which year Akbar died? 1604, 1605, 1606, 1607. The right answer will be 1605. In which year Aurangzeb reimposed jizya tax? 1670, 1679, 1674, 1680. The right answer will be 1679. In which year Aurangzeb captured Bijapur? Aurangzeb captured Bijapur in 1689, 1690, 1686, 1688. The right answer will be 1686. At present, Bijapur is present in which state? Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Telangana. The right answer will be option C, Karnataka. In which year Aurangzeb captured Golconda? 1690, 1681, 1687, 1680. The right answer will be 1687. In which present state of India the Battle of Saraighat was fought? Sikkim, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura. The right answer will be Assam. In which year the Battle of Saraighat was fought between the Mughals and the Ahom Kingdom of Assam? 1675, 1677, 1676, 1671. The right answer will be 1671. In which year the Mughals lost Kandahar to the Persians? 1622, 1623, 1627, 1624. The right answer will be option A, 1622. Who was the Mughal general at the Battle of Haldighati? Man Singh the first, Man Singh the second, Birbal, option D, none of the mentioned. Here the right answer will be Man Singh the first. In which year Akbar abolished jizya? 1560, 1561, 1579, 1564. The right answer will be 1564. Who was the Mughal emperor when the Battle of Plassey was fought? Option A, Alamgir the second, option B, Alamgir the first, option C, Akbar the second, option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be Alamgir the second. Which Mughal emperor was known as Rangila Badshah? Option A, Aram Shah, option B, Hussein Shah, option C, Muhammad Shah, option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be option C, Muhammad Shah, Muhammad Shah Rangila. During the reign of which Mughal emperor Sikh leader Banda Bahadur was executed? Shah Jahan, Jahangir, Aurangzeb, Farrukhsiyar. The right answer will be Farrukhsiyar, Mughal Emperor Farrukhsiyar. Who was the ninth Sikh Guru who was executed during the reign of Aurangzeb? Option A, Guru Arjan Singh, option B, Guru Angad Dev, option C, Guru Tegh Bahadur, option D, Guru Har Rai. Here the right answer will be Guru Tegh Bahadur. Todarmal was the Mughal finance minister during the reign of Babur, Akbar, Humayun, Farrukhsiyar. The right answer will be option B, Akbar. Mir Jumla was an army commander during the reign of which Mughal emperor? Babur, Akbar, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb. Here the right answer will be option D, Aurangzeb. Shaista Khan was the governor of Bengal during the reign of Jahangir, Akbar, Alamgir, Aurangzeb. The right answer will be Aurangzeb. Padshah was written by Abdul Hamid Lahori, Gulbadan Begum, Babar, Abul Fazl. The right answer will be Abdul Hamid Lahori. Who was the what was the real name of Sher Shah Suri? Farid Khan, Jalal Khan, Rashid Khan, Ulugh Khan. Here the right answer will be Farid Khan. Option A, Farid Khan. Who was the author of Aini Akbari? Option A, Abul Fazl. Option B, Amir Khusro. Option C, Badauni. Option D, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be Abul Fazl. Who built the Moti Masjid? Akbar, Farrukhsiyar, Jahangir, Shah Jahan. The right answer will be Shah Jahan. Moti Masjid is located in Old Delhi, Awadh, Faridabad, Agra. The right answer will be Agra. During the invasion of Nadir Shah, who was the Mughal emperor? Farrukhsiyar, Aram Shah, Muhammad Shah Rangila, Alamgir II. Here the right answer will be Muhammad Shah Rangila. Who was the author of Tawarikh? Muntakhab ut Tawarikh. Badauni, Amir Khusro, Abdul Hamid Lahori, none of the mentioned. The right answer will be Badauni. Akbar's tomb is located in Jaunpur, Fargana, Sikandra, Faridabad. Akbar's tomb is located in. The right answer will be Sikandra. Tagore Kalidas. The right answer will be Ramcharitmanas was written by Goswami Tulsidas. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.